Emily, hi, David. How are you? David, hi, Emily. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Emily, I'm doing well, thanks. What did you do over the weekend? David, I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic and played some games. It was fun. What about you? Emily, that sounds nice. I went to a movie with my friends. We watched a new action film. It was really exciting. David, that's great. Which movie did you watch? Emily, it was called The Fast Runner. Have you heard of it? David, yes, I have. I've been wanting to see that one. Was it good? Emily, yes, it was really good. The special effects were amazing, and the story was very interesting. David, I'll definitely have to check it out. Do you usually watch a lot of movies? Emily, yes, I do. I love watching movies in my free time. What about you? Do you have any hobbies? David, I enjoy reading books and playing soccer. I play soccer every weekend with my friends. Emily, that sounds fun. I like reading too. What kind of books do you like? David, I like adventure and mystery books. What about you? Emily, I enjoy reading romance and fantasy novels. Do you have a favorite book? David, yes, my favorite book is The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. It's full of interesting mysteries. Emily, I've heard of that book. I should read it sometime. Do you like watching TV shows too? David, yes, I do. I enjoy watching TV shows in the evenings. What about you? Emily, yes, I like watching TV shows as well. My favorite show is Friends. It's so funny. David, I like Friends too. It always makes me laugh. Who is your favorite character? Emily, my favorite character is Rachel. She's so stylish and funny. Who is yours? David, I like Chandler. His jokes are the best. Emily, yeah, he's hilarious. Besides Friends, do you have any other favorite TV shows? David, yes, I also enjoy watching Stranger Things. It's so thrilling and has a great storyline. Have you watched it? Emily, yes, I have. It's really captivating. The characters are so well developed, and the suspense keeps you on the edge of your seat. David, absolutely. I can't wait for the next season. By the way, do you have any plans for the upcoming holiday? Emily, yes, I'm planning to visit my grandparents. They live in the countryside, and it's always nice to spend time there. What about you? David, I'm planning a road trip with some friends. We are going to visit a few different cities and do some sightseeing. Emily, that sounds like a lot of fun. Which cities are you planning to visit? David, we are thinking of going to New York, Boston, and Washington, D.C. There's so much to see and do in those places. Emily, wow, that sounds amazing. I've always wanted to visit those cities. Make sure to take lots of pictures. David, I definitely will. Speaking of traveling, do you have a dream destination you'd like to visit someday? Emily, yes, I'd love to visit Japan. I've always been fascinated by the culture, the food, and the beautiful landscapes. How about you? David, Japan sounds wonderful. For me, it's Italy. The history, the art, and of course, the food are all things I'd love to experience. Emily, Italy is on my list too. It's such a romantic and historic place. Do you like cooking? David, yes, I do. I find it relaxing, and I love trying out new recipes. Do you cook? Emily, I do. I enjoy baking more, though. Cakes, cookies, pastries, you name it, I love making it. David, that's awesome. What's your favorite thing to bake? Emily, my favorite is probably chocolate cake. It's always a hit at gatherings. What about you? What do you like to cook? David, I love making pasta dishes. There are so many variations and flavors you can try. Plus, it's always a crowd pleaser. Emily, that sounds delicious. We should have a cooking night sometime and share our favorite recipes. David, that's a great idea. I'd love that. Speaking of gatherings, do you often host parties or get-togethers? Emily, sometimes. I enjoy having friends over for dinner or a movie night. It's a great way to unwind and catch up. Do you host often? David, occasionally. I like having barbecues in the summer. It's always fun to grill and have everyone over. Emily, barbecues are so much fun. The food, the company, the outdoor atmosphere, it's perfect. Do you have a favorite barbecue dish? David, I love grilling burgers and making homemade barbecue sauce. It's simple but always a hit. Emily, that sounds fantastic. I think I'm getting hungry just talking about it. We should definitely plan a cooking night soon. David, definitely. It's been really nice chatting with you, Emily. I have to go now, but let's keep in touch. Emily, it was great talking to you too, David. Have a wonderful day. David, you too. Bye. Emily, bye.